Hello everybody, welcome back to Tom's Tips. I'm going to take the phosphor bronze brazing on a bit further today because one or two people have said, oh, what's the point of that? What's the point of phosphor bronze brazing? Well, it's just something else under that, and it can come in handy. For instance, let's suppose you're on a job and it's late at night or it's on a bank holiday weekend, there's nowhere open, and you need a 22 to 15mm reducer. There's nothing else you can do. If you haven't got a phosphor bronze brazing kit, but if you have got a phosphor bronze brazing kit, you could do this. I'm going to make a 15mm to 22mm reducer, or a 22mm to 50mm reducer, depends which way you're saying it. I'm going to throw an edge on this copper tube, this 15mm copper tube. I'm going to put a lip on there first of all, with a little, I've got a pin hammer over here with a cross pin end on it. I'm going to use that cross pin on a sharp edge like this to throw an edge on it. Just keep pegging away. Probably better if I do it that way so you can see it better. Eh? What I'm doing here, I'll tell you what, I'll bring camera in the other side. What I'm doing, I'm throwing an edge on this using a sharp corner on this face. Using the cross pin hammer, and just keep gently tapping away at it like that. Now the thing is with copper, it work hardens, so as you work it, it's hardening. So there is a process where we can soften it up again by called annealing, which bring this to cherry red and just let it cool down. And that will soften it, so it'll make this process easier. But just for the purpose of throwing this little edge on, it's not really necessary. You see how it's formed its own lip. Then if we get a piece of 22mm pipe, put that there and that together and braze that up. You see, and we've got a reducer ready made. Okay, so we just need to braze that up now. Right, so I've cut it down a bit now. We put that on top of there. We can brace that up. And there we have a reducer. Now then, for the purposes of this, I'm using MAP gas. Now MAP gas burns a bit hotter than propane because it's MAP, it's propane and methane together. Methane burns a bit hotter. So we need one of our rods. And off we go. that's it done. What in the traditional method of Tom's tips would be testing that. We're not just going to put it on and leave it to chance. We're going to test it with water as soon as it cools down. So I'll see you in a minute when it's cooled down. So there's the fitting cooled down. And that'll get you by. I've got a 22/15 reducer there. Now then, let's put it under test with water. Okay people, so there's the pipe. Let's see if I can get this off. There, yeah. There, yeah. Good as new. Okay. So there you are people, you can make producers. There's all sorts of things you can make. You can adjust taps, you know, the possibilities are endless. So it's a matter of being creative. So be creative. I'll see you again sometime.